Hi, my name is Chanel and today I will share with you how to add a patch covering in the tripod area at the bottom of your 360 photo. There are two ways to do this. The first way is to add a shape and color of your choice to blend into your 360 photo. To do this, go to the Photo tab, Image, Built-in Assets, select the circular shape with the blurred edges. Move the shape over the area you wish to cover. To make the shape bigger, drag the width slider right. To make the shape color the same as the floor, click Set Tint. Go to Custom Color. Click the eyedropper tool and select the color of the floor. Select the shape. Select the color you just selected and click Select. And now the shape color is the same as the floor. You can drag the opacity slider left and right to change how transparent the shape is. Since this patch covering is on the floor, make sure the position is set to floor and click Save. The second way is to add a custom image of your choice. To do this, go to the Photo tab, Image, Add New, select File, choose your image, select the image to apply it, drag the image into place. Since this patch covering is on the floor, make sure the position is set to floor, and just like before, you can adjust the size, the opacity, and the rotation. To apply this patch covering to all 360 photos in your virtual tour, turn on Master and click Save. And now you know how to add a patch covering at the bottom of your 360 photo.